Like most operators across the globe, it has become imperative for Air Voice Telecom to transform its legacy network into a next-generation network by rolling out 4G and virtualizing its existing network. However, there is a challenge. Air Voice has to maintain customer experience for existing subscribers while there is a constant flux in the network. But Air Voice has nothing to worry about as they've chosen the perfect solution for this purpose: ROC Asset Assurance. Let's look at Mark, the procurement manager. He creates a purchase requisition for the procurement of network assets and logs into ROC Asset Assurance to compare the purchase requisition against existing stranded and underutilized assets in the network and at field locations. Mark quickly learns which assets can be freed and offset against this purchase and raises a workflow request to the field service team who harvest the assets, helping Air Voice Telecom make critical savings on network CapEx investments. Next, there's Steve in network planning. He's observing multiple hotspots in the network that are working at capacity. Using ROC Asset Assurance, Steve views the current traffic levels and utilization trends associated to each site in the network. This helps him precisely identify sites, where, when, and how capacity needs to be augmented, solving the issue of capacity hotspots. Finally, we have Michael in finance, who is struggling to manage and account for license usage in the network. He is noticing a constant trend in mobility networks, in fixed networks, and now in the world of SDN and NFV, where licenses are becoming a huge expense. Michael wonders,
doesn't anyone understand that licenses need to be managed and tracked like any other assets?
Subex does. With ROC Asset Assurance, Michael can verify that he is not overpaying his vendors for licenses, and his asset records account for all licenses currently in use. Subex ROC Asset Assurance, an end-to-end asset lifecycle management solution, helps operators across the globe to transform networks from legacy to next generation without overspending on CapEx. One solution to track and manage assets, plan new capacity, and reap the most value from legacy assets. Subex ROC Asset Assurance.